Alright guys, welcome once again, and in today's WooCommerce crash course we are continuing about managing orders and fulfillment in WooCommerce. So orders and fulfillment in WooCommerce. Now when we talk about orders, managing orders of order fulfillment, what does it really mean? Now what it really means is that in general sense, it's just the way you respond to orders. Okay, so when order comes, how are you going to go about it? So it is basically from when a customer places an order to when the order is delivered to the customer. So moving from that point to you receiving the customer's order and then seeing that, oh, order has been placed on my website. How do you go about it? How do you manage those orders? How do you send their products to them? What ways do you go about it? Now we're going to go through how the WooCommerce system order fulfillment really works, and then how ways and means you can also do that. I'll talk about it for you, and then the shipping and all the other aspect to what will fall in place. Okay, so basically you need to have know how to manage your orders on your WooCommerce store, and then also how you can be able to even send messages and to your client or your customers to tell them that, oh, their orders have been received, and then you are processing the order. After processing the order, what happens? It change what the order is being delivered or whatever it is to the customer. Okay, so the process involved, that is what we're going to talk about. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Now we are jumping straight to our WordPress dashboard over here. And before we even go ahead, now let's say you have a website. Okay, so let's say I am trying to place an order. Okay, so let's say I want to place an order for this iPhone 15. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to use a coupon for it. So BO 2023, and then I'll apply the coupon for it, and then let's see if I'm going to get so I'm going to get this how do you call it, this kind of shipping rate to pay. Okay, but I still don't want to pay this because this is just how do I even say it, this is just a tutorial that I'm doing. Okay, so but then let's proceed to check out and see how the process really will go for us. So basically I have the thing which I will definitely pay nothing for it because I have a coupon which gives me 100% coupon. Okay, but the point is I am not being able to remove this flat rate from it because it is a shipping. I have to pay for that shipping. So let's go. So I'm going to fill in my details over here, and then after filling in the details, I am just going to proceed to checkout. Okay, so let me just fill in my shipping details also over here. Okay, so basically this is my shipping details, and then I'm going to use cash on delivery. I'm not going to use PayPal because I don't want to pay for anything. I'm going to use cash on delivery, and then I'll click on place order. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I've placed the order. The order has been placed. This is what my details and other things. They're telling me that thank you, your order has been received over here. So basically our order has been received and we are good to go. Now a customer does this. In the end of the store owner, what are you supposed to do? So definitely the store owner will receive an email that an order has been placed on their website. Now when this email comes, you basically go to the back end of your website. Now let me just refresh this page so that everything reflects for us. Now when this happens, when you hover on WooCommerce over here, you see an order which is one over here. Okay, meaning that there is an order placed on our website. So I can click on orders over here, and then as you can see, the order says processing. Now the reason why the order says processing, because of the cash on delivery that we used. Okay, because it is cash on delivery, we haven't received any money from the person. So what we want to do is we want to wait for us to receive the money. So let's say we have received the money, or we want to process the order for the person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click to go into the order to see what the person really ordered. Okay, so now you can go ahead and then see. Now you see that this is the billing address and this is the shipping address for the person. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go over and see what the person really ordered. Oh, okay, so the person ordered iPhone 15 gold, 3 pieces of it. Okay, and then the person had what, a discount that the person used. Okay, but the person need to pay for this particular shipping over here. So this is the coupon that the person used. Okay, and then the person was able to get all these ones. So okay, so if this order is no longer editable, so they said that we cannot edit this order. Okay, but what if I want to refund the money to the person? I cannot refund because it is just a coupon, but since the person used a coupon, I still need to fulfill this order. Okay, so how am I going to fulfill this order? Now what you have to do is you want to change this one from processing to either on hold, completed, cancel, refunded, okay, failed, draft. Okay, each other way is good for you depending on why you are doing it, the reason why you are doing it. But I think mine is okay. Let's say the person has even paid for the shipping cost, so I need to what, I need to complete the order. So I'll say maybe order is completed. Okay, now when I change the status from order completed, now I can be able to go ahead and then update it. Okay, and then the order will be complete. Now of course I can even add a note over here for the person to know that the order has been completed. Now what I need to do is I can also choose other actions over here. I can even email invoice or other details to the customer. I can resend new order notification, or I can regenerate download permissions if the person is downloading what something from my website. So now what I want to do is I just don't want to do anything, but the only thing I need to do is I can either add a private note to the customer. Okay, and then I can decide to just add a note over here, or I can go ahead and then maybe the note might be, oh, thank you for your order, we have shipped the order, and all those kind of things. So if you have shipped the order, then you can go ahead, complete the order, and then click on what, update order. So when you click on update order, your order will be what, completed. Okay, so as you can see, if you go back to your orders again and then to check, it wouldn't be processing, but it will be what, it will be completed, meaning that you have what, you have changed the order from processing to what, to completed. Now at the moment you change processing to completed, prepare to ship the thing to the person. Okay, make sure that you've shipped the thing to the person, do not delay. Okay, because completed means that you've received every money for the person from the person, and then the person is waiting for the order to receive the order. So some people decide to change the order to completed when the client or the customer receive the goods. Okay, but for me, I change the order to completed, or sometimes I set it as automatic since they are using payment system and other stuff. At the moment the order will be completed, and then I'll prepare the goods and send it to them. Basically, that is how order fulfillment and completion is. So if you do that, you realize that you can go ahead and then check your reports, and then even your analytics over here. You can go ahead and check your overview, you can check your revenue. You realize that everything is what have been received and all those kind of stuff. So as you can see, when you check it, you see that you have what, net sales of what, 45, which is the shipping. Okay, one order and all those kind of stuff. So everything will fall in place for you. Okay, and even the items sold will be what, iPhone 3 over here. The net sales is 0. The only thing that they were able to receive is what, is the shipping details or the shipping cost over here, because they used coupon for it. Okay, so basically this is order fulfillment and completion on your website. Now like I told you, do not complete your order whilst you haven't done any process of shipping the thing to the person. Now if it is downloadable product, at the moment the order is completed, the person get access to the what, to the download, and that is it. So thank you for watching this video. Now I hope this videos has been able to help you to fully comprehend what WooCommerce is, and then how powerful WooCommerce is for you to be able to use WooCommerce to create your own WooCommerce store. Now the next part of the videos will be basically dealing with reviews and other stuff. So part of the video we're going to talk about WooCommerce product review, customizing WooCommerce email notifications, WooCommerce inventory, WooCommerce analytics and report, WooCommerce SEO optimization, setting up WooCommerce subscription, WooCommerce security best practices, integrating WooCommerce with other plugins and services. Now all these ones are sideways. The most important thing is what we've really talked about, which is the setting up WooCommerce, adding product, customizing WooCommerce product pages, WooCommerce payment gateways, creating WooCommerce and discounting WooCommerce, creating coupons and discounting WooCommerce, WooCommerce shipping setup and options, managing orders and fulfillment in WooCommerce. So this I hope it will be able to help you to get you set up on your WooCommerce store. Thank you for watching, and see you in the other part of the video. Bye bye.